Have you ever wondered why some people seem to move closer to wealth every year, while others work just as hard but stay financially stuck? The truth is, staying poor is rarely caused by one big mistake. It's usually the result of small daily habits repeated over time. These habits feel harmless in the moment, but slowly shape your future. The good news: once you recognize them, you can replace them, and your financial direction can completely change. Let's start with one of the most common habits: living without a clear plan. Many people earn money but never decide where that money should go. They spend first, think later, and hope everything works out. But hope is not a strategy. Financially successful people give every dollar a purpose. Whether it's saving, investing, learning new skills, or building something long-term, their money is always working toward a goal. When you stop drifting and start directing your finances, everything begins to shift. Another powerful habit that keeps people broke is choosing comfort over growth. Comfort feels good today, but growth builds a better tomorrow. Too many people avoid learning new skills because it feels difficult. They stay in situations they've outgrown simply because change is uncomfortable. But almost everything that increases your income lives outside your comfort zone. The moment you start embracing challenges instead of avoiding them, you open doors most people never walk through. The next habit is spending to impress others. In a world driven by appearances, it's easy to confuse looking rich with being rich. People upgrade things they don't truly need just to gain approval: expensive gadgets, flashy clothes, or lifestyles that stretch their budgets. But real wealth is often quiet. Many financially strong individuals focus less on showing success and more on building it. Before making a purchase, try asking yourself one simple question: am I buying this for my life or for someone else's opinion? That single question can save you thousands over time. Another major reason people stay stuck financially is ignoring financial education. Most of us were never taught how money really works. We learn how to earn it, but not how to grow it. Understanding basic concepts like saving, investing, and long-term thinking can completely transform your future. Just one valuable financial idea can increase your earning potential for years. Remember, the more you understand money, the better decisions you make with it. Let's talk about something many people rely on: a single source of income. At first, one paycheck may feel secure, but depending on only one stream can make life fragile. When your income has only one path, any disruption creates stress. That's why financially smart individuals look for ways to create additional streams over time. This doesn't mean working nonstop, it means building skills, exploring opportunities, and planting seeds for the future. Security grows where options exist. Now consider the role of fear. Fear stops more financial progress than lack of talent ever will. Fear of failing, fear of starting, fear of taking calculated risks. But every successful person has faced uncertainty. Courage doesn't mean you're never afraid, it means you move forward anyway. Often, the biggest risk is refusing to take one. Another hidden influence on your financial life is your environment. The people around you shape what feels normal. If you constantly hear that success is unrealistic, your ambition slowly shrinks. But when you surround yourself with growth-oriented thinkers, people who plan, act, and improve, your standards naturally rise. Sometimes improving your future starts with improving your circle. Here's another trap: chasing quick money instead of lasting wealth. Fast results are exciting, but sustainable wealth usually comes from consistency. Small, smart decisions repeated over time often outperform risky shortcuts. Instead of asking, "How can I make money fast?" try asking, "How can I build something that grows?" Wealth is less like a lottery and more like a garden. What you nurture today can reward you for years. Never underestimate the power of small improvements. You don't need a dramatic life change to move forward. Saving a little more, learning step by step, improving your habits, these actions compound. Progress may feel slow at first, but consistency creates momentum, and momentum creates transformation. Finally, one belief keeps more people poor than anything else: thinking change is impossible. Your current situation is not your final destination. Financial growth is not reserved for a lucky few. It's built through awareness, discipline, and better choices. The moment you decide to think differently, your trajectory begins to change. So pause for a second and ask yourself, which of these habits has been quietly holding me back? You don't need to fix everything overnight. Just choose one habit to improve this week. One decision can start a chain reaction that reshapes your future. Imagine where you could be a year from now if you begin today. Less stress, more control, greater freedom. Not because of luck, but because of intentional action. If this opened your eyes, don't let the message end here. Apply it, reflect on it, act on it. And if you want more ideas that strengthen your mindset and move you closer to the life you truly want, make sure to subscribe and continue this journey. Because your future isn't something that simply happens. It's something you build.